Hey YouTube people, let's take the four-wheeler and go race a fully swapped lawnmower. Want to? Here we go.